This is before. Up in the air. We're starting it now.
New leaf springs. We could take the packaging tape off, whatnot.
The packaging tape, right there.
Yeah, that's their box.
That's the box these fuckers came in.
Don't really want to get close to it, but yeah, that's the box right there. That little package, dude, that's the box. I don't want to get up close so you can see our address and all that, but otherwise, that's the box. And the shocks, this fucker. Look at that. That's not a shock bed, man. That's a good shock. Are brand new.
Yeah,
I went to O'Reilly's, picked that bad boy up. 10% off.
That's prime.
Yeah, that's 10% off right there. Yeah, you gotta smell a little bit of gas way. Oh, you probably didn't see that.
It was washed down with water.
He rinsed off, but you could still see the tank leaking right there. That's gas. You can see it.
Yep. I want to see it has to do
Yep.
with the lines up top. And I don't know when that started because it wasn't leaking before.
I don't know either. Sorry about the neighbor's air compressor. He's not been working. Probably hasn't been working for a weekend. And it's going off. Be back to you when we get a little farther. Oh yeah, show you off the paint. Just a little bit, nothing special. Just some rattle can flat black just to shine the stuff up. That's the that's the dual steering stabilizer. As you see, there's only one. That's the dual. And then bam, we'll be set up. Go. Or he'll be. There's your steering stabilizers. There's the N2.0 all 4 rough country shocks. Instructions. Don't need those. Sway bar drop bracket, since everyone bitches about that. Excuse my language. Transfer case drop bracket. All your bushings for the front. Still, if you guys know what these are. Hey, Samson, come over here. So you got 2 different sizes here.
He's trying to eat plastic.
Samson, stop. See, that's obviously one side because it was both the same. And then you got this other one. See? You got 6, but you only have 4 holsters. Obviously, that goes to the front, or where's the rear in that? Whatever one. Yeah, this goes in the rear, obviously. And then obviously that either's front or that one's front. Let me know. Like you guys. There's all the U-bolt. Hitting the arm or whatever you call that bad boy. If you see, you gotta do that. Shit there. Okay. Oh. Don't mind my foot camera.
Boy, I can't use that. It's gonna destroy him.
We'll be back. I gotta find him some tools. Try the 7/16.
That's smaller than that.
Smaller than that? Alright.
I got a 3/8 right
I'll be back. It's still going on at it. Just nice and slow. Taking our time. 22 right there. 24 if you do that. Got the new brake line installed, as you see. Rough country. Extended brake line. You wanna know the truth though? So you all know this. Truth I did. This metal brake line. It's half a centimeter, maybe an inch longer. Maybe a little longer, I don't know. Yeah, this might be actually extended. It's only an inch longer. Inch, maybe 2. I'd give it 2 inches longer. It is extended, but still, it's nothing special. Probably could got away with stock. That's just fine. Nothing. I just took a little effort. Hey, front one though, that's no bueno. That shouldn't be twisted like that. Let me show you what he's doing over there. That's the front one's supposed to be. Your front one over there on that side's twisted.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm gonna need some help.
He-
Actually, I think I can get it. Hold on.
He's double-sided that. Never know. Or you know that's not good.
Double sided.
Yep. That's when something's going wrong. Getting ready to break some knuckles. Let's get over there and film
I have
that.
an axle land on my chest.
On both sides. A little action shot. Haven't really filmed no working. Boy's got in that bitch. Oh, excuse my language. Double wrench did the work.
Let me tell you though, it's a wonder. Doing a Superman off a quad and the quad going one way, you going another way, and you land on your ribs. It makes doing this stuff not fun.
Nice screw away.
Huh? Right? That plastic crap, dude. Did you see that? Actually, look at that. That's like ready. That's going the wrong way. Back up to me. Come on.
You got 10 bolt rear ends, so we know for next time. I thought that's what it was. Good bump stops, that's nice. I don't have that much Jeep. I gotta get new ones. Oh, dirty. Not that bad. No rust though. That's a good thing. No rust. All the way around.
Even the bottom of the bed looks good, dude.
Yeah.
I still want to take that plastic liner out because I don't want the bed to rot out.
No.
And this thing came from Canada, and it's in dang good shape.
Fuck. Hey. Almost broke us fuckers.
It's okay. Those are the ones Carl had.
Oh.
I got my good ones on my head.
Oh.
Those are the ones out of the car, dude.
I
All
see.
good.
I see.
I'll keep my shit on me, no worries.
I just didn't know. Give you a little update on the painting. It's done. I'm just letting it finish drying because we aren't doing it yet. I ended up painting it up because it's sitting on the cardboard, you can't paint both sides. They didn't give you new plates for their axle, so we just freaking reused those, painted them flat black, nothing special. Kind of matched the wheels. Those are all beat up, as I told you before. New U-bolts, front and rear. Haven't got much farther. Been dicking around a little bit.
Not really. We've been fighting on brake lines.
I didn't think of that. You gonna have problems with the e-brake line?
Huh?
E-brake, even though you don't use it? Or is this still gonna be long enough?
It's fine.
Should be. Flexing might have to disconnect your freaking e-brake.
Fine.
We'll see. We don't know.
Where is the big bad boy?
Alright.
He says 24.
See you guys later. Shocks. Got one side in. I'm doing an update on this video. Part 2. Or part 1. I'm not quite sure yet. That's the first shock in. Leaf spring's still not in. We figured do the shocks first. What?
Oh, you're fine.
No. Do the shocks first and then do the leaf springs
Stretch.
last. You see. There's the leaf spring bolts. Yeah. There's their rear leaf spring. Freaking beat to heck. That's their packaging right there. This little plastic freaking the freaking bullshit.
For this bottom?
That's where's this side's bolt? I took that side's.
It should be.
No, that's way too long. Halfway there. Got one set up so far. It's not tightened yet. We gotta jack it up. Those aren't tightened yet. Just snug. Not tightened yet. Yep. He's working on getting that shit all set up. Yeah, we're gonna just fucking take that fucker off now. You care about your e-brake?
Automatic.
Drop it closer to your drum so you don't have to worry about it then. Okay, you're gonna have to get longer. Alright, 6-inch lift. That's on the ground. Stock. On the engine clean. Just sit here. Obviously nothing's in there. So a little bit of oil sprayed on my everything. Sorry about the shakiness. 6-inch lift. That's on the ground. You don't have to worry about putting the tires on.
Oh, dude.
Big difference.
Yeah, I gotta put the tire on.
Yeah.
I've gotta put the tire on.
He says he's got to put the tire on. And the front's not lifted, so you know. Right now the front's sitting about 4 to 6 inches off. When we're done, those tires would be touching the ground plus. So the front's going to get jacked up a little bit. Stop this one out, start it with. And you slap everything like that.
That's close as
Solid.
it's gonna be, dude.
Yeah, that's...
I can't lift my muscle, so I can't.
No, I've already said, don't worry.
I know. But that's just flipping. That's 6 inches.
Before, after. After I'm heating up a bolt that's been stubborn. Yeah. I'm over here, so you're doing your inner tie rodding link. This one right here. This floppy doppy. When you're doing that, hey, mark these. I just did a little overkill. And then this one. Yeah. Did a little juice there. And she should do what you want. Oh, well, in the wrong one. I'm trying to go in the first 3. But I think we should be golden. Yeah, we're golden. There's the cap now. There's a the new one right here. Here's a brand new one. You see that sucker? No play. Even this other one, he's gonna have to this one he's gonna have to replace eventually down the road. The boot fell off. You see that? Eventually, gonna have to replace that down the road.
Grease her up real good. You know what? Where's the big gun at?
Oh yeah, you still having troubles?
Yeah, I can't
Give
get
it-
the ratchet. I'll hit
Yeah, it was the freaking hammer. He's having some trouble.
Hit it with the hammer. I can hit it with the
I
hammer.
have it right here on the ground.
I got it.
Horrible. Oh, they're struggling, eh?
It's alright. We'll get this lifting.
We've still been this 2-day process so far. Hopefully no longer.
Well, we got Ian, a full guy, one person, and I'm like a half or a quarter person right now, with my side being messed up as it is.
Yeah,
Oh man, that hurts to cough, dude. Wow.
Right? What are you coughing on?
I have a tickle in my throat.
Huh. See, if you got a little bit of machine work, or power tool, whatever you want to say, you want the cameraman? Got Mr. Mike over there, so you can write some Miatas and Tommies. Yeah? Tommy up, yes? Okay. Freaking over here in Washington State. Yep. Trying to figure out how to do this stuff.
Wait, hold on a second. Hold on. Wow. Not only do I have a message, but I'm trying to see if you guys can hear the weather outside. Hold on. Let's check over here. Can you hear that wind? Hear that wind? Wonderful Washington weather. Thank God for a sit-up. Woo! Right?
And turn to the Duty Off-Roading Club here. Gotta put the gloves on, eh?
This is sad. The lift is for me.
Yep.
Is for my...
And he's doing the fucking work. Excuse my language. That's not good. We'll have to bleep that out. Anyways. Yeah, we're getting this done. We got this. We marked it up. I don't want to get it out, so we counted the threads. 17 and 18, we believe. Put it up on the board. Right over. There. Yeah, so you can struggle a little bit trying to get this fucker off. Let's see if I have it again. One more time. He's doing it. Got my hair shut. Come on, hear that hammering. Little chisel, yo-yo, what do you call it? No, I'm on your toe.
I see. And I got one here. Not being trucked. Nope, I got one. One right there. I get fun, cool, stick to the pile on the ground. Front pair of pliers, eh? You hold it. That's my way of doing it. There's probably other ways. That's my way.
Ew. It's got the nar on the end of it. Look at that rust and corrosion.
Good comparison.
Old versus new.
Well, a little different there, but that's new shit. Or new stuff. Excuse my language. Yep, you see. He had a loud clanking. We thought it was something like the brakes when they're cold or something, like the caliper was moving a little bit or something. I don't know.
That's my steering knuckle that goes to my pitman arm.
Yep.
Tie rod knuckle that goes to the pitman arm
Yep.
for steering. I knew this was going to happen with my lift.
Once you take that sucker off, it just rings. Okay. Little blue rag.
heard it.
Alright, putting it all back together. Marked it with ink. I've got the rubber down there for that one. That one's gonna get...
It'll be easy to tell. We'll have to just adjust the threads so the tires are straight. I know. It stopped there? So it's probably right there. One's upside down, one's upside down, one's other way, right? One goes that way, and one goes that way. Recommendo! Let's just do a safety check. In the seam up there, I think. We might have to give her 1 or 2 more clicks down so it all is. Got the red shit on your toe? You want to see that? Around here? It's not gonna work it. Keep my arm at the shot. Just gnawing at this stuff. Alright, almost. Put the mallet too far? Nope, we're still going. Ain't go far enough. You finish it off, so we'll straighten it. You gotta do a little more. Round up. The bushing and the... First time it with a... Yeah, buddy. You see that air compressor there? That's not working, it's air compressor on. You need to turn that stuff off, right? Wasting the gas power. Wasting the gas power. I'm wasting the freaking landlord's power. We don't pay for that. We don't, but, we don't pay power here. Power get paid for us. You see, I'm having trouble. My rush. Take the pliers. Stress them out. Try to. Might if it goes in the process. There we go. It's good. Dang, it's sprung back, didn't it? So I move it. So we just can't install it, right? Oh, spring pliers. I have a swan, but they're... Wait, what? I don't know if those will work. There's a certain set for those. I know. I know not.
Here.
I don't know what station it was. Can't find it.
Jason, wheel and brakes.
So there you stick around, we'll go to the other side. Oh, camera. Make a YouTube video, man. Video. Put the stickers on. Huh?
Alright, go ahead and pump.
Alright, putting the next sticker on. Next sticker.
Hold it. Alright, I think we're good. Working like a motherfucker?
Yeah.
There's so much pressure, dude.
Yeah, when you start it.
We needed to do this before.
When you start it, you need to...
It'll go down, yeah. It's probably truthfully not even blood, kinda. It might be.
Yeah, that goes.
They are.
They were on the back?
No.
That's scary because...
No, because how we did it, I told you.
Okay.
There won't be that much air.
Okay, let him go. We're good then. Alright, jacking up the front. Put
Hold on, hold on.
There, John.
Get away from the exhaust for a minute. I'll have you start it up.
I'm out of the way.
Start it. And then push on the brakes. See if they're still the same.
305 board to a 307. Cold blooded a little bit. Yeah, we definitely need to do the plugs and rears.
Right, get brakes. Nice, lift it different. Yeah.
Hold. Still gotta put the tires on the front. Tighten everything up, make sure it's all tight. And yeah, double check everything. Tighten those up.
Or hold on, click on your brakes right now.
I'm gonna get that sway bar in. Oh, you get back at you guys.
Yeah, you're good.
Yeah.
Here we go.
First dip in King 10.
Wow.
I had to pull an outlaw.
There you go. Lift on. Sits level. Perfect. Got some grease on it for the first time in a while. Hey! Good God! Straight!